Sa inyo daw. Sa CDR rin po. Sa paghinilap ni Sir Raynor Rodriguez. Salamat Sir Raynor kasi sa inyong pangiliba, sa Bureau of Fire Protection, sa medical team na pinamamayanan po ni Dr. Joey Blasco. Ano po? Salamat sir kasi sa pangiliba. Sisay mo daw po. Baka maniliwan ako. Sa kapos kong offices ng City Hall na naglaban para po sa pag-set up ng stage, sa pagkakaroon ng venue. Kung may naliliwan po pagkasinsahan nito ako, salamat po. Salamat na po kay Sir Ray Andretoy, ang chairperson ng 2025 Kenya Christian Festival Executive Committee, ni Sir Rafi Magno, ng Head Count Sponsorship Team. Kasi lalo-lalo na po sa Satuyang Kailangan Alcalde. Mayor Lenny Robredo sa pagtabang po sa Satuya, pagkataong pinala sa po, sa Kuya Vic, kasi sa mga pag-iba sa Vicar Pisen. Sa gabos po, salamat ng maray sa 108 participating schools. Puro pakanta po sa Tuya mga sarili. Salamat po maray. Ngunyan po, masisimpag na. Ngunyan, awarding ceremony. So ako, kung pag nakawala ako dyan, agad pa lang, sabi ko itong doang magkaibahan na estudyante, ako na kita, ako pa rin Kaya sabi ko, maging positive lang ako sa mag-enjoy. Kaya ba na ako doon? Kung sisimba ako ng buong niya, itiniklaro na sa mga winners. Ano po? Thank you very much. Good afternoon. Viva la Virgen, viva el Divino Rostro.
Okay. We have the category A for majors, category A for the DSMC, DMC, category B for majors, category B for DSMC, DLC. We have category open band. Okay, so yan ang awards na nilagay. Okay, so we will be going to award first the one that will be handed to us. Pag-receive kang trophy, they will chair, marabalik din, mapirma. Ano po? Kaya, pagsakat, baba, pirma. No? Kaya kung kaya yan ng LGU. Okay? So, we will be doing it slowly. Okay? So, yan na. Nahilig naman dyan. Kasi yung mga magagayon. Kasi yung gwapo. Lalong-lalo na mga sa tao, magayon. Yan. Gwapo naman sa tao. Okay? Ipan.
So, pag-ilang po sa Tuya Boss na kaya po sa kanila. Sa maabot na Sabado, iyan na po sa 3rd People Region CPP MAPI DRM Competition and CPP Concert with Dance Number sa September 13. Ano po yan din Sabado. Daman po kita sa Pagalitan Drive. Of course, ito po sa pinapapalapit po sa ito kay Pangaitan order of play, pag-interpret po ni Maray na para may tinyata kung saan mapundo ang tugtog asin marisyon at sa po yung mga tugtog habang nasa street pa rin po kita from Pangalitan Drive papunta naman sa competition area.
Okay, so we are waiting for the official printout of the result. September 13, that will be the 3rd Bicol CTP Mapider and State Party Competition starting from Pangalitan Drive until 15 Martes. Okay?
So, ang category 1 po as category 2 sa September 13 sa Pangalitan Drive at sa Indon Assembly Area. While the category 3 4 sa Vicinity Pukang St. Joseph Academy. Sa atubangan sa tagiliran na sa likudan.
Okay. Waiting for nagkakalihan ko siguro ng printed. Yan na. Nagawas na. No. Category A. Major's Exhibition Contest Category A.
Major Exhibition Contest Category A. Sampolo ang ganado.
Okay. Sige. Ang inot po 10th place.
10th place.
With a score of 86.32.
86.32.
Goes to
Buhi. St. Joseph Academy Incorporated. Buhi. Camarines Sur.
Buhi St. Joseph's Academy Incorporated. Buhi, Camarines Sur. Receive na po. Kasi representative po kini.
Yan na. Saka
Majorettes. Pagsakat. Mababa. Mapirma. Ninth place.
9th place.
With a score of 86.37.
86.37.
Goes to
Sipeco National High School.
Sipeco National High School. Sipeco. Sakat na po dito sa tahaw.
Hindi po sa tahaw masakat.
Congratulations, Perma. Congratulations. Picture. Okay. Yan pala si principal. Okay. Tapos mababa po, mapirma. Baba. Yan. Ay, lagay ulong. Pirma po sa baba.
Okay.
Sa baba. Then, 8th place. With a score of 86.63.
86.63.
Goes to
Laisio de Pasacao at Pasacao, Camarines Sur.
Laisio de Pasacao at Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Laisio de Pasacao.
8th place.
8th place. Sa ina po.
Ayan na si Madam.
Ayan si Madam.
Okay.
Okay.
Patay tayo.
Tama picture, picture. Ayan.
7th place.
7th place with the score of 87.85.
87.85.
Goes to Calzón. Receive na. Receive na. Sa ilang regalo. Sakat na po.
Iyo masarap.
Swerte ka na. 87.85.
Okay. 6th place.
Ayan na. Wala pa may gwapa. Kaya kung si principal.
Yan si Madam.
Okay.
6th place.
6th place with a score of 88.93.
88.93.
Goes to
La Consolacion College of Iriga.
La Consolacion College of Iriga. Pangano na pwesto. 6th place. Ay, si coordinator.
Okay na so.
Leader.
O kaya yung coordinator.
Coordinator. La Consolacion Iriga. Mayo.
Nawawala.
Okay, mo.
Sige. Archive yan, archive.
5th place.
5th place.
With a score of 88.96.
88.96.
Goes to
La Consolacion College Abao Incorporated. Tao, Camarines Sur.
La Consolacion College Sabao.
Ay parehas.
5th place. Oh, yan.
Yan. La Consolacion College Abao.
Itawag mo si Iriga. Tapos yan ang bahala kayo.
Ayan. Kapit sa Iriga, pirma na lang sir.
Si Iriga, ito mo na para sabay. Bao. Si Iriga, isabay mo na para siya naman karang. Number 6. Oh, damo na lang. Yo, film ka dyan.
Okay, so Lagam-Salasyon College Iriga and Lagam-Salasyon na Baaw. Receive na po ang plaque as
Next.
trophy. Fourth place.
With a score of 88.97.
88.97
Goes to
San Rafael National High School, Tigawon, Camarines Sur.
Oh, hi na.
San Rafael, may nagkurahaw, tayo nagdala ng mga nagsasaka.
Fourth place.
Fourth place, ayun na. O yan na, masagat na.
Ayan na. Oh, sunod. Third.
Third place. Okay, third place.
Third place with a score of 89.87.
89.87 goes to Holy Trinity College of Camarines Sur. Bato,
That is third place. Holy Trinity.
Mayo, Holy Trinity College of Camarines Sur from Bato.
Holy Trinity. Oh, Batu. Oh, Kago.
Mayo,
Second place.
second place.
With a score of 91.79.
91.79
Goes to
Severino High School, Iriga City.
Oh, dalagan.
Oh,
Receive your trophy.
may nagkukurahawan, may nagrarami sa isang
Receive your trophy.
O yan na.
Yan na.
Sa tahawan nagihan.
Ini ang trophy nito. Kan Medyo Rex.
Okay, that is second place. Severino Arroyo High School. Asen si Saidao. Kahapon ba yan? Si Saidao ang first.
Ang first place with a score of 92.78.
99.78
Goes to
Naga City Science High School.
Oh, receive your trophy. That is a
First
Tears of Joy.
Ayan, first place for the Midget Exhibition Contest, Category A.
A Tears of Joy.
Ayan.
Okay. We do not know who will be going to win. Okay, next we have the DXMC DLC Exhibition Contest Category A.
DLC Exhibition Contest, Category A.
10th place.
10th place.
Hapon na po, madam. Hapon na.
Hapon na.
Hapon na po, madam.
Okay, DLC Category A, 10th place.
10th place for the DXMC with a score of 89.02.
89.72.
Goes to
Kararayan National High School, Naga City.
Naga City. Oh.
Kararayan from Kararayan.
Karanayan po.
Mayo, mayo na.
10th place, Karanayan. Okay.
Mayo.
Set aside. 9th place. 9th place with a score of 89.03.
89.73.
And the 9th place goes to
Tomas Ana Andradas Senior National High School, Ragay, Camarines Sur.
Ayan na. 8th place.
Okay, 8th place.
With a score of 89.06.
89.06
Goes to
Naga City School of Arts and Trade, Naga City.
Naga City School of Arts and Trades, Naga City.
8th place.
8th place.
Any representative from Naga City School of Arts and Trade?
Ayan na.
Ayaw na. Coming very soon.
Naga City
Ayaw na yun.
School. Naga City School of Arts and Trades.
7th place.
So, sige. Si
Sige.
Karanayan, yan na.
Garis na.
Si 10th place.
Ayan. 10th place ito.
Alam mo na.
7th place.
Pero mo na.
Ayan na si
10th place.
Naga City School of Arts and Trade.
10th place.
7th place.
7th place with a score of 90.05
90.05
goes to
Buhi, St. Joseph Academy Incorporated, Buhi, Camarines Sur.
Buhi St. Joseph Academy Incorporated at Buhi, Camarines Sur.
7th place. Okay, yun na sir.
Yan na si Sir. 6th place
6th place.
with a score of 90.09
90.09
goes to
Bula National High School. Bula High School.
at Bula, Camarines Sur.
6th place.
Brambula. Bula Nacional.
Sakat data ba nagkurahawan? Raya o pasita?
Wala.
O yan na. Marami na. 6th place.
Bula Nacional High School.
National High School.
5th place
5th place.
with a score of 91.01
91.01
goes to
Santo Niño National High School, Iligan City.
Fifth place Santo Niño.
Mayroong, ayaw na.
Ayan na.
Okay, ayaw na. Santo Niño National High School.
Okay. Fourth place.
Fourth place.
Fourth place with a score of 91.02
91.02
goes to
San Agustin Integrated School, Libon, Albay.
San Agustin Integrated School, Libon, Agay. Fourth place.
Fourth place, San Agustin Integrated School, Libon, Albay. Kadi Kalingor Trogi.
Yan.
Yaw na? Okay, yaw na. Yaw na si sir.
Third place.
Third place.
Nasa tayo. Third place with a score of 92.12
92.12, third place.
goes to
Eagle Central Academy, Litmanan, Camarines Sur.
DCA.
Yana sir to play for the third place. We come to second place.
Second place with a score of 93.08
93.08
goes to
Sheila Collins, Sigawan at Corporated, Sigawan, Camarines Sur.
Sheila Collins. Tigaon. Terima kasih.
Okay, to the second place. Nagulog na kayo na kukuha ka trophy. Ayaw na si Madal, nagtitulaga. Tawin na ng giveaway.
Okay.
Yan na,
Second place.
siya Collins. Basin. Ang pinagamatibay sa DNC Exhibition Contest Category A. Si Saidao, ang first place.
First place with a score of 94.13
94.13
goes to
Sipunga National High School.
Major Exhibition Contest Category D.
Category B Exhibition Contest Managers.
That score of 86.10
86.10
goes to
Rolando Andaro Senior Memorial High School, Pasacao, Camarines Sur.
Orlando Andaya. Category B, Majorettes.
Category B Majorettes.
Rolando Andaya.
Maya na po maya na Rolando Andaya, 10th place.
Majorettes,
Major Exhibition Contest Category B.
Mayo. 9th place.
Wake up to 9th place.
86.94
86.9
goes to
Santa Luganga National High School, Cabusao, Camarines Sur.
Santa Luganga.
This is category B, Majorettes. Santa Luganga, 9th place. Ayan na si Madam. Ayan na, masagat na. That is 9th place, Major Exhibition Contest.
8th place.
10th place.
With a score of 86.94 goes to
Nato National High School.
Nato National High School, 8th place.
Nato National.
Nato, ayan na.
Ayan na.
7th place.
7th place.
With a score of 87.11 goes to
Pasacao National High School, Pasacao, Camarines Sur.
Okay, Pasacao. Oh, firma.
Pasacao National High School, ayan na.
Kami.
Ayan na, Pasacao National High School is 7th place. Major Exhibition Contest.
Okay.
6th place.
Ayan na. Okay, firma po, firma. 6th place with a score of 87.91 goes to
Dahat National Vocational High School, Lagonoy, Camarines Sur.
o lahat. Masira mga butas. Lahat. Sixth place. Lahat po.
Dahat is 6th place. Mayo na.
Mahina si lahat. Naguli na.
Tuloy na siguro.
Kasi si Dominator naguli. Okay. Fifth place.
Fifth place.
With a score of 88.80.
88.80.
Goes to
Colegio del Santísimo Rosario Incorporated, Libmanan, Camarines Sur.
Yan, fifth place.
We come to
Yan, Perma.
fourth place.
Fourth place with a score of 88.86 goes to
Laganoy High School. Laganoy, Camarines Sur.
Laganoy High School. Fourth place.
Laganoy High School at Laganoy, Camarines Sur. Any representative that is the first place.
Fourth place, Laganoy.
Mayo.
Laganoy, fourth place.
Mayo.
Okay, Mayo. Third place.
Third place.
With a score of 88.88 goes to
San Ramon Pilot National High School, Laganoy, Camarines Sur.
San Ramon Pilot.
Mayo man. Ayun, mayo na. Mayo na nasasakat. That is third place.
Third place, San Ramon Pilot National High School. Second place,
Second place.
with a score of 90.95
90.95.
goes to
Bato National High School.
Baka National High School. Second place.
Second place. Okay, ano si Madam?
Ayan, si Bato.
That's Bato National High School.
Okay. Congratulations, Madam. Okay, pero po. And the first place,
First place.
with a score of 90.99 goes to
Goa Science High School.
Goa Science High School.
At Goa Camarines Sur.
First place.
Mayo na, nagpuli na.
Goa Science.
Any other? Any representative from Goa Science High School of Goa Camarines Sur? Mayo na,
Maya.
nagpuli na.
DXRC, DLC, Category B.
Category B, DNC.
10th place.
Third place.
With a score of 89.016. 016. Goes to
Laganoy High School. Laganoy, Camarines Sur.
Laganoy High School. 10th place.
AA?
Representative po.
Wala na. Mayo na.
Mga kulit na.
Nagpuli na.
O, kaya mo yan. 9th place.
Ninth place.
With a score of 89.024. Goes to
San Antonio National High School, Iriga City.
San Antonio National High School, Iriga.
San Antonio National High School, Iriga City. That is 9th place.
O, yan na.
Warga, yan si sir. Kami si sir.
8th place.
8th place.
With a score of 89.029 goes to
San Ramon Pilot National High School.
San Ramon Pilot National High School. 8th place.
8th place, San Ramon.
San Ramon.
Pero nagpuli na dahil nag-receive so naman sa major eh.
Yan na.
Mayo na.
Okay. 7th place.
7th place.
With a score of 89.087 goes to
Santa Justina National High School, Buhi, Camarines Sur.
Santa Justina National High School. Dala ka na. Receive your
Oh,
order.
yun, Santa Justina. That is 7th place. Yan na, at Santa Justina National High School at Buhi, Camarines Sur.
Okay. Receive the trophy. Yan na. Okay.
Sakat na.
Tapos sir, mapirma ka sir, baba.
Okay. Then we have 6th place.
with a score of 89.154, goes to
Santa Luzgarda National High School.
Santa Luzgarda.
Pagkabusa Camarines Sur.
Santa Luzgarda.
Okay, yan na sila naman sa kasi sir.
Okay, 6th place. 5th place.
5th place.
With a score of 90.126. 90.126. Goes to
Praha National Vocational High School, Lagonoy, Camarines Sur.
Dahat National Vocational High School at Lagonoy.
Mayo na.
5th place. Panglima na pwesto.
Mayo na.
Yan na po. Yan na po. Yan na po.
Yan. Okay. Meron ba pa sa subag ko?
Sixth place naman sa majorettes. Category B. 6th place. Bigay mo na. Black. Black yun. Okay.
Okay na. Nagawa na ang duwang award ng Linda.
Picture na. Ready? 1, 2, smile.
And then,
Pwede na. Duman sa pala.
4th place.
Next is
4th place.
4th place with a score of 91.168. Goes to
La Purísima National High School, Nagua, Camarines Sur.
Purísima.
Sakat na La Purísima National High School.
Purísima. Okay. Third place with a score of 92.046 goes to
La Salvacion National High School, Picaron, Camarines Sur.
Salvacion National High School, Picaron.
That is 3rd place. Okay. That is 3rd place. Kasunod Colos. 2nd place.
Second place with a score of 92.050 goes to
Shepherdville College, Tigawon, Camarines Sur.
Shepherdville College.
Wala na ba? Shepherdville College from Tigawon.
Tigawon,
Shepherdville.
7th place.
Wala na.
Okay. Mayo. And the first place with a score of 93.074. Nag-aaling lang giraray sa lugar nila. Goes to
Kapanilaran High School
of
Tigawon, Camarines Sur.
Okay.
Kapanilaran?
Yan.
Yan.
Ginawa na. We come to the majorettes exhibition contest band open category.
Major Executive Contest Band category. Yes.
Third place with a score of 80.42 goes to
Sabang National High School, Calabanga, Camarines Sur.
Sabang National High School, Sabang. Ayan ang process.
Yan na. Okay.
Second place with a score of 80.43
81-43.
goes to
San Juan National High School.
San Juan National High School, second place. And the first place
First place.
with a score of 92.15 goes to
University of St. Anthony, Iriga City.
University of St. Anthony, Iriga. First place. Napit na po. Sige, Sandro. Okay po.
Next event.
Band Exhibition Contest, Open Category. Third place.
Third place.
With a score of 86.106 goes to
San Juan National High School.
San Juan National High School. Third place. Balik sila.
Third place.
Yan. Second place.
Second place.
With a score of 92.070 goes to
Sabang National High School.
Sabang National High School.
Camarines Sur.
Second place.
Sabang Calabaga. Second place.
And the first place with a score of 92.157 goes to
University of St. Anthony.
University of St. Anthony, Iriga City. Congratulations to the winners! And Viva la Legend! Okay, ready na kayo makita.
Okay, so lahat, pinapagkaroon po sa tuwing na boss na paralata sa Sabado, yun na po ang third Bicol Region City Team Happy Beer Current Competition. As in pagkatapos ito ng street parade, masunod po ang CTP Fancy with Dance number naman po sa Tobalan Kang Plaza, Kensi Barberes. Siyempre, sa tuwing pong okasyon, may relasyon kay Nabo ng pistahan sa tuwing mga na Diyos ng Senyor, Rubin de Francia, asin ang puno ng bala, ay ang Archdiocese of Cáceres. E naman po sa tuyong okasyon, siyempre, may suporta na sa local government unit ng Naga City sa pagi po